So now we're going to turn our attention to the lower leg. This includes the calves and the shins. All the muscles on the side of the leg here are called the peroneals or the fibulari muscles, and they're oftentimes overworked, especially if you do a lot of driving and if you do a lot of standing at work. These muscles can get very tight and can lead to foot pain as well as tightness in the calves. Take your time. Those are very shallow muscles, and they can get very sensitive if you put too much pressure into them. Once you move into the calves, of course, you can get quite a bit deeper. And the flathead is a great place to start, but you might consider using one of the other attachments that allow you to get much more penetration. Getting to the inside, this is where a lot of muscles that are tied to the toes of the feet, especially that first big toe, which of course go across the ankle. These oftentimes get very tight and can add a lot of discomfort to the arch and cause things like hammer toes. And so spending some time here can help to get the better blood flow to those muscles and allow the toes and the foot to relax more completely.